Pick some fresh roses, hit them under my arm, but I hope you don't notice when you look at your lawn. The thorns are your focus like they are in my palm. Missing petals go unnoticed cause they're already gone. They're already gone, yeah they're already gone. I pick some fresh roses and they sting in my palm, but they're already gone and she's already gone. What's the point of picking petals if I can't lean on? Lavender sunsets, they sing to me. Watch you as you undress, now I can't breathe. You make me weak, you make me speak. Got my tongue all twisted, and so are my knees. Now please, tell me what's next. I freeze when I kiss on your neck, sweet release. When I sleep on your chest, give you a place to rest right in between my neck. Periwinkle sunrise, undressed in my eyes, pillowcase in your thighs. Periwinkle sunrise, undressed with my eyes, daydream in my mind. Now you got my bedroom sounding. Now you got my bedroom sounding. Your lips taste like poetry, your face like the sun. Yeah, you're the vinyl sleeve to my favorite song. And if you get bored of me, just flip me on. See another side of me, I'll play track one. Your lips taste like poetry, your face like the sun. Yeah, you're the vinyl sleeve to my favorite song. And if it's too hard to see, just put me on. I'll use every part of me to be your guide dog.